Welcome to my channel. Why is my Deco blinking blue even after Deco setup? The blinking blue light on the Deco signifies that the mesh system is ready for the setup process. However, when this light turns solid blue, it means that the TP-Link Deco setup is going on. But, there are times when the Deco keeps flashing blue even after the setup process. What to do if Deco keeps flashing blue after setup? Step 1. Ensure that the Ethernet cable connection between your Deco mesh main unit to the router is finger-tight. Step 2. Be sure that the LAN port on your root router is working fine. If not, try using another port. Step 3. The LAN cable in use must be free of cuts. Solutions. 1. Ensure stable power supply. You must ensure that the Deco unit is connected to a working wall socket. The power adapter of the mesh unit must be properly connected and should be the genuine one. 2. Restart the Deco system. You should now restart your Deco system to get rid of any technical glitches making it flashing blue even after a successful setup. 3. Reposition satellite decos. Satellite decos connect wirelessly to the main Deco unit. Therefore, if the satellite Deco unit is found flashing blue, you are suggested to place it a little closer to the main unit. 4. Reset the Deco. If the Deco is still blinking blue, then you are left with the technique of resetting the mesh system. For this, check the bottom panel of the mesh unit. You will see the reset button there. Thanks for watching.